Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Your account, role permissions, and that two-factor authentication is active. Log into the WD dashboard and pick the correct workspace or profile. This ensures you load the right datasets. Once done, scan the connected data sources and confirm API keys or service accounts are valid so widgets can retrieve data. This immediate check prevents permission errors later and lets you proceed directly into building or editing views without wasted back and forth. Next, you add and configure widgets. Choose the data source and the visualization type that matches your question. Configure filters and time range to narrow results. Pick aggregation methods so metrics compute correctly. Then bind fields to axes or labels, set thresholds and colors to highlight outliers, and enable an appropriate refresh interval to keep data current. As you work, preview the widget to validate assumptions. This is how you catch mismatched fields or unexpected nulls early and iterate quickly. Finally, save your dashboard layout and set access levels so stakeholders see only what they should. Schedule reports or export snapshots for regular distribution and enable live sharing links for collaborative review. Once deployed, monitor performance and adjust refresh or query limits to prevent slowdowns. If something breaks, first check connector health and permissions, then inspect dashboard logs for query errors. This troubleshooting step usually reveals misconfigured fields or expired tokens, so you can resolve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.